Are you beating yourself up, comparing yourself to other coders? Let's go through this together. Hey, welcome to another video. My name's Peter. If it's your first time here, you want to learn to code, and you want to stay motivated to reach that goal and change your life, then start now by subscribing and click that little bell icon so you don't miss anything. Alright guys, it is completely normal to be comparing yourself to other coders, other web developers who are ahead of you and feel like, man, I am just not measuring up. And I'm here to tell you, dude and sister, don't do it. Do not let yourself get in that mental pattern where you're saying, man, if I was as good as X person, then I'd be happy. The truth is, you've got your own path to learning web development. You have got your own speed that you can learn at. You have got your own methods that you use. You've got your own tricks in your mind that you use. You've got your own study habits that you use. You are individual. I know that seems like, duh, I'm individual. Well, but it's very easy to get into a pattern where you're kind of putting yourself down and thinking that everybody else around you is understanding all of this so much faster than you are. I know that because I feel it sometimes, and I watch other YouTubers, I read blog posts. It is a very common thing when you are learning coding. I just don't want you to fall into that trap. I want you to understand that you are on your own path. I do want you to start beating yourself up if you are not pushing yourself hard to learn. That is a legitimate concern. If you've gone 3 days and haven't done any coding, dude, kick yourself in the butt. You got to get on it. But I just want you to know that it is normal to start kind of getting into that trap and to look out for it, because you're going to ultimately slow yourself down and get yourself miserable if you start thinking, man, I have to be X. And there's a fine line between setting realistic goals and starting to beat yourself up because maybe you're not reaching those. The truth is, when we're setting those goals, we don't have enough always information to be able to set those goals realistically. We think, okay, well, I want to learn JavaScript in 3 months. Well, it's possible to do that to a certain level, but at the same time, there's a lot of hiccups along the line. You know, one little concept that somebody else can get in 5 minutes, it may take you or me, for instance, 2 days to grasp it. And don't start beating yourself up about that. I want to let you know that we all have frailties. We all feel inferior about the whole dang thing half the time. Everybody feels that way. You are not alone in feeling frustrated. I say that continuously because I think it's the biggest hurdle that we have to overcome. And we can overcome that just mainly by understanding that that's a common thing. That is the common thing. That is the most common thing that makes you quit. I don't want you to quit. I want you to keep coding, friend. I want you to be the best developer that you can be. I want to be the best developer that I can possibly be. And I know that we are on track. I'll see you in the next video. God bless you, and keep coding. What do you say when you want to quit?
I don't quit!